My name is Al-Khwarizmi. I was born around 780 in Persia. I love numbers and solving problems. My contributions to math. I wrote a famous book, Algebra wal-Muqabla, about solving equations. This book introduced algebra, a word that comes from the title of my book. I helped spread Hindu-Arabic numerals 0 till 9. Without me, you might still be using Roman numerals. I created step-by-step problem-solving methods. Today, we call them algorithms, and they help computers work. I worked at the House of Wisdom in Baghdad, a great center for learning. The fun fact about me is the word algorithm comes from my name. Today, algorithms help computers and internet run smoothly.